Hello everyone, my name is Midun Savior. I'm a PhD student from Luleå University of Technology, Sweden. Today we are going to introduce industrial AI agents. This is our lab, Ice Cube Lab, which resides in our campus. It's a factory in a room. There we can see a system of systems. One of the system which resides in our lab called processing station. Processing station has three mechatronic components. The first one is a rotating table. It has 6 positions. A complete cycle is achieved when the table rotates six times. The tester component is located at the second position and the drill component is located in the third position. Tester component is used to identify whether the workpiece has a hole in it or not. Drill component is used to drill the workpiece. Here is the user interface of the AI agent. Let's see how this AI agent can communicate with the processing station through the natural language. I have given a query that I have placed the workpiece on processing station position 1 and I want to drill the workpiece and bring back the workpiece to the certain position called position 4. So let's see how it's done. I have given the query. Once it gives the query, it gives us the plan. Here is the plan and description, detailed plan and description, which is given by the AI agent. That means it needs to understand that where is the workpiece is placed. So according to that, it creates the plan and description. First, it needs to rotate to the position 2 and use the rotate skill to move the position 1 to position 2, that is to the tester component, and it needs to detect the hole, that is the second uh, action. And there she uh, agent uses the hole detect skill to detect the pre-drilled hole in it or not. The decision based on the hole detection is the third step. That means if the hole is detected, skip to the step 6. If the hole is not detected, and proceed to the step 4. So in the step 4, it rotates to the position 3 and it drills the workpiece. Otherwise, it doesn't drill the workpiece and bring back to the position which we have asked for. So let's see, this is the overall plan and description. And once the plan and description is ready and the agent starts to execute this plan according step by step, that means each action by action. So now it's the table is rotated to the position 2 in order to check whether the workpiece has a hole in it or not. And if the hole is not detected because it's not gone inside, so that means we got the information that workpiece doesn't have a hole in it, so it moves to the workpiece to the drilling component for drilling purpose, and it moves there and it starts to drill it, and once it drills it, it bring back the workpiece to the position which we have asked for. That we can see right now. It's how it's done. It bring back to the workpiece to the position 4. Let's see the second scenario. That is, I need to check the workpiece has a hole in it or not twice. That's a query which I am uh, giving here right now. So I have placed the workpiece on position 1. I just need to identify that whether I need to perform 2 tests in order to identify whether the presence of the hole. So here we can see it again created the plan. That means it needs to rotate the table to the position 2 where the tester component is there and perform the first hole detection. And after that, we need to check again, perform the second hole detection. That means it needs to test the workpiece has a hole in it or not for 2 times and bring back the workpiece to the position which we have asked for, that is the position 4. That means needs to rotate 2 times to reach there. So this is the detailed plan of action, and let's see how it's performed. So it started to rotate to the tester component, and the tester component, uh, it's reached on the tester component and check the workpiece has a hole in it or not. So here we can see Yeah, the tester component now tests the workpiece twice. And yeah, it's identified that it doesn't have a hole in it or not. So it replies that the workpiece has no hole in it, and the task is completed, and it now it's bring back the workpiece to the position 4. So let's see another demo that is for the distributing station. So here is a simple distributing station with one rotating arm and a magazine. So as you can see, there are several actions which we can perform: move to the left, move to the right. So, but let's see how the AI agent can interact with the system in order to make some plan and execute it. So I'm writing now, it's like transfer a workpiece, and if I did it, uh, then it starts to plan it. Yeah, it's did the plan, and it start to executing one by one each action. And if everything is correct and workpiece is placed and plan its execution is completed, and if you are satisfied, then we say yes, this will helpful for our evaluation purpose. Now let's see another action which is performed by the uh, agent. That is, I just want to move the arm to the left and right, and I need to do it twice. So I just write to right twice and send it, and it does the planning. And suppose it needs to do it twice. Yeah, as you can see, the rotating arm has moved twice. So this plan is also executed completely, and this information was also helpful for us. So that means we verified that this sequence of actions which is produced by this model is right. It's possible that we can select whichever the model, and uh, then the planning assistant will be using this LLM to create the plan. So if you go to the evaluation tab, here we can see the evaluation model performance by each models. These are the models 4.1 mini and nano, which is released 1 day ago. So we are just started to explore it. Here we can see what are the queries and which one which was correct, and show it has the actions and explanation, and these are the results which is verified by the human reviewer. One of the major challenges in the industrial automation system is the requirement based testing. So let's see how testing agent helps with that. Let's go with the new model, and I'm going to have a simple test, that is a transfer a workpiece, and I need to, what is the expected outcome is that I need to verify that magazine has only five workpieces after transferring the workpiece to the other end. So it does the planning, and here is the plan and expected outcome, and it does the activity, each action step by step, and verify the states, and after that it gives that verification result is passed because the magazine has only 5 workpieces right now. So this is the way we can do the uh, requirement based testing, and once it's done, we can save the test, and this will be saved in our database to use it in the future. Now let's say a complex distributing station. That means it has two rotating arms and two pushers. And here is the skill cost table. That means each skill cost, how much energy, time, and where. And here is the description. So let's see how the planning agent works based on this skill cost table as well. So here I have generated a query. That means I need to transfer a workpiece to the right side of the system within 15 seconds. So it does the planning, and here is the cost matrix, and here is the plan. Here is our AI agentic platform, which is open source. So please feel free to check out our GitHub repos. And thank you so much for watching this video.